For the equation x squared plus y squared equals 1 that is represented by a circle, what are the coordinates of the center? What is the radius? In order to answer this question, let's consider the general equation for the equation of a circle. A circle is given by the equation x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared, such that r is greater than 0. Using this general form, the center is the point h comma k, and the radius is equal to r. The equation that we were given is x squared plus y squared equals 1. In this case, h is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0, and thus the center is the point 0, 0, or the origin. In the equation given, r squared is equal to 1, and therefore r, or the radius, is also equal to 1. So the equation x squared plus y squared equals 1 is represented by a circle with a center at the origin and a radius of length 1.